What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the video post type. Okay, so how to change your WordPress blog posts to, instead of showing the featured image of your post when the blog index page, it's gonna shows the video, okay, a video post format. Okay, simple and easy. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. How to access WordPress dashboard: your domain plus WP admin or WP login. Enter with your email, username and password. After, you're gonna be into a page almost like this one. You're always gonna have posts right here, so you can add a new post or make a previously made post a video post. In my case, I would like to make the hello world one of the video posts. How to do this? Review the post, type your content, type the layout that you wish, okay, type anything, use the image and do the post content. After, go to the left, review the right sidebar of menus and click on post next to block. Review the status, publish, link, author, template, discussion and format. Right here on format we have standard by default. We're gonna click on standard and we have a couple of formats. It's gonna change according to the theme that we're using, but by default WordPress have all of these formats. Go to video. Then all you have to do is place a video into any block of your content. So find the video URL, place it right here. So copy and paste the video URL. Or in the case that you want, click into the plus button, find YouTube video or find Vimeo embed, enter the video, click on embed, and the video gonna be right here. Okay, after, all you have to do is save your post, and if you go to the blog post, here's the video, but if you go to the blog index page, here is the video as well. Okay, so a simple way to share the video content on your post using the video format. Simple, easy and effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.